morning, everyone. We are going to talk about peer-to-peer network, just like the BT is one of our example. And first of all, we talk about what is P2P network. P2P network is a network that relies primarily on the computing power and its participants' bandwidth. What does it mean? It means that peer can initiate requests and response to requests from other peers at the same time. And peers can join and leave at any time. More peers means that there are better network performance because more files are shared among the peers and they can get the file they request more easily and with maybe more qualified file. And let me talk about the mechanism and through comparing the P2P network with the server-based network, which is commonly used by our computer like that. For the server-based network, it's like that. Client make a request to the server and server responds and send the data to client. But for the peer-to-peer network, peer can be the one to make the request and also respond and send data at the same time. For example, peer 1 make a request and then peer 2 respond and send the data to peer 1. While responding to peer 1, peer 2 actually can make a request and peer 1 can respond and send the data to peer 2. This show that how the peer can be the one to make requests and respond at the same time we just talked about. And we will show two examples here. This is one of the BT, another is Skype. These two are examples of P2P network. And our main focus is actually PP Live. PP Live actually is very popular in China, and it gets more than 200 channels. And this is the active monthly user is that number. This is a big amount. But actually, how the video is transferred to the user's computer. Actually, the video content is not owned by PP Live, but that's actually owned by some channels in China. But when we want the video, we can have that video from Chinese channel and then encode it into the video or real video, and then divide in the channel and distribute to the peers through the PP Live network. And for the more detailed mechanism about how the peers can request and respond, my teammate will talk more about that.
And we will actually have 3 steps for this. And let's focus on those arrows numbered. And as for the first step, it is about how to initiate a program. And when end users start to use the program, and they will come, the channel server will receive some information, and they will have the second step. After receiving the information, the channel will deliver some information out, and to the peer list root server is number 2. And thus you can have some retrieve some messages, and then they can have the online peer list. For the first step, it is about the peer-to-peer network, and they can share the information from the peer list and then out to the main PC, and then the client PC can also share some information through each other. And as the information is divided into some crunch, they can share information more faster, and it is more efficient in sharing. And actually, we're focused on PP Live, and you can see the success of PP Live in achieving more and more people make use of the program and to have enjoyment. And let's see some implication about the PP Live. And it has advantages and disadvantages, like it can increase the efficiency. When the information is divided in the crunch, then people can make use of it. And after the efficiency of one fall downs, you can make use of another server to achieve a higher downloading rate. And also, if one client server fails to provide some information to you, you can make use of another to have better downloading rates, as you can not to be bothered by another failed one. But about the disadvantage, you can see there are some securities problem, like people may have infringement to your privacy as you are sharing your information to the others. And also it takes a lot of bandwidth as you have to share your storage, something to the others. You have to supply some data to the resources, and thus it is not so beneficial if you are sharing your own resources to the others. And also about the copyrights, the infringement of copyrights is a big issue, and it is very difficult to solve. So we have some suggestions, like for the security issue, you have to set your security level to a higher security level, and thus you can prevent others from inventing to your privacy. And to the copyright problem, it is not solvable by individual. It is for the government to set some regulations, and also for the server, you have to delete some infringement immediately after you see some uploading, and this can solve the disadvantage problems. And this is the end of our presentation.